In this video, I'm going to show how to create a route. So I'm starting from the default home screen in Weather4D. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new zone. And to do that, I'm going to tap on the upper left corner here. And then I'm going to tap on plus. Okay. I'm going to name my zone. And I'm going to call it SoCal because this is going to be a zone in Southern California. Then now I'm going to select my models. I'm going to tap on edit, and I am interested in the NAM model, and I am also interested in FNMOCWW3 model for waves and the NCOM SoCal model for currents. So now I am going to say done because all my models are selected. I am going to resize my zone because it's a bit too big right now. I don't need that much. And I am about 1.8 megabytes, and that's plenty. I'm going to hit saved on the upper right corner of the screen. And my grid files are being downloaded automatically. There we are. Now I'm going to switch to the NOAA chart. Okay, so I can see that I have San Diego and I can see Santa Barbara target on the upper right of the screen. And I'm going to set it as free target. Here we go. And I'm going to drag that target near San Diego here. And I'm going to zoom in. Here we go. And I'm going to hit on that target and from here. So I did tap on new route. And now the only thing I need to do is to drag to Santa Barbara. There we go. And I'm gonna say end. And I'm going to hit OK and done. So here we go. I do have a straight route from San Diego to Santa Barbara. So now we'll tap on the upper left, not completely on the left of the screen, here, and tap on simulation and routing. You see that I set on purpose engine speed to 0 knots. For the polar, I use the ENHANCE 595, but then you would put the polar of your own boat. And after that, I'm going to tap on routing. Here, I'm going to select the NAM model for my routing. These are all the parameters, and so I'm going to calculate the routing based on wind, currents, waves, and the polar. I'm just going to start now, and here we go. I'm launching my routing. So look at the red boat, and you can see isochrones progressing. Okay, so it's going to take about 2 minutes to calculate everything. Okay, so the routing has been calculated. Let's take a look at the details of this routing in the menu. And here I have a breakdown of how long it would take. 1 day and 9 hours for a total distance of almost 200 nautical miles. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to switch to a dark color for the boat. There we go, because it's more visible this way. I'm going to select the target, upper right corner of the screen here, and I'm going to select routing as my target. And so now basically my boat is set as a target. And that's interesting because I can look now at instruments. Here I'm going to enable the instrument bar. And this is basically the simulation of the speed and the wind, all the data based on grids that I have. And so I can slide my finger and you can see that I have basically a simulation of the SOC, the COC, the VMC, and so on. I can also look at the evolution of the wind here, and the reason why I'm going west, further west than the red boat, is because I'm gonna get more wind. And you can see here the red boat gets stuck because there's no wind, and so the dark boat gets ahead. Here we go.